Live, rain causes disruption across UAE. Schools closed, flights cancelled and safety warnings issued across the Emirates. Dubai, rain and thunderstorms caused disruptions across the UAE on Wednesday morning as flights were cancelled and schools were closed in Abu Dhabi and early dispersal announced in several schools in Dubai. Police issued safety warnings to motorists after several accidents were reported in Abu Dhabi and Dubai, reducing visibility due to cloudy skies from early in the morning. Several events were cancelled or suspended for the day in Abu Dhabi and Dubai, including Abu Dhabi Expo and Dubai Canvas Festival activities. 3:39 p.m. The Abu Dhabi Bourse suspended trade on Wednesday due to bad weather, Al Arabiya television news reported. 3:38 p.m. All public parks in Sharjah to remain closed on Wednesday due to the bad weather. 3:32 p.m. Rain, flooding and heavy winds could affect some of outdoor events in the UAE over the weekend.